Want the best auto body shop in the Round Rock, Texas Bond Springs area? If you are looking for an auto body repair shop in Round Rock's Bond Springs area, you've come to the right place. Watch this auto body shop video for Round Rock, Texas Bond Springs service, car, truck, SUV repair quote, and car body service center repairs all the issues within a budget plan that fits all clients. Taking comments from the clients, the solution facility offers overhaul personalized at private degree. If you have actually the needed info, selecting the finest car solution center is not challenging. There are numerous business in this area, however couple of have the competent specialists that can produce a distinction in car overhaul. They not just offer the service, however likewise eliminate the issue from the origin degree. An car fixing solution ought to have the ability to replacement for defective body components as well as provide the very best elements. Aside from automobiles, different hefty cars are likewise to be fixed with quality to ensure that the repair work facility obtains acknowledgement. Much like a physician, the specialist at the facility has the ability to correct as well as determine car issues. Handled by effective personnel, the car stores have actually turned up as important parts of the solutions in metropolitan locations, with a great deal of individuals collecting there to discover answers for their car associated issues. Inexpensive cost as well as leading course overhaul are going together at the repair work facilities, as well as complete satisfaction degrees of the clients stay truly high. Every information of the car components are kept in factor to consider at the car body service center. The overhaul produces a favorable distinction in the roadway experience of chauffeurs, as well as they do not need to obtain their automobiles serviced for an extended period. A host of services are provided consisting of fixing of the brakes, substitute of the tires, tubes, as well as fixing up the OS that includes of the wipers, liquid degrees, belts, battery, as well as a lot more. In the Canadian market, the car proprietors have actually ended up being extremely based on the car solution facilities. Car paint as well as body outlining are likewise provided within the small bundle at a few of the facilities that look after the outside appearance of the automobile. The paint is performed in an expert way to ensure that it almost matches with the previous problem of the automobile. If any type of problem concerning the repair work is brought up prior to them, specialists are prepared to comply with it. The provider reveal high degree of obligation for which they truly draw an affection. The accessibility of the very best specialists as well as the top quality elements contributes to the tourist attraction of the solutions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.